Oh, I got hit. Come on, Jake, hurry up!
Please do not jump into or over the trenches. You can go in them with the pathways provided. So there's cutouts to go into the trenches. Don't jump over the top, or don't jump down into them. The boundaries are down here, these pallets with the red paint. Up there are poles with red paint. They're kind of hard to see. But if you are past me, you are out of bounds. I'll let you know if you are out of bounds. No going on the hill. This is going to be only trench. This is going to be capture the flag. There's going to be 2 flags in the middle. So if you are a band, you have the blue flag. You're defending it, and you need to grab the purple flag. Vice versa, if you are solid, you are defending the purple flag, and you need to get the blue flag and bring it back to your spawn. If you are a band, you'll be starting on the right with 2 red spools. If you're a solid, you'll be starting on the other 2 red spools to the left. Semi or full auto allowed. Yes, there are respawns. When you're hit, walk back to the red spools to respawn.
Okay. There's 2 of them. Which flag are we getting? Purple. Get the freaking purple flag. You got it?